Hello, this is Gabby from Trash, and today I'm going to show you how to make a header, which is like a little word thing that has your name or whatever. Okay, so you're going to make a new file, and I usually do width 600 and height 200. Oh, and by the way, this is cs3. It should be the same on cs2, but yeah. Okay. So, once this opens, alright, you're just going to have a blank thing. You're going to click the text tool, and you're going to write whatever you want in whatever font, and I'll just do Indie Star BB. Where's that? Alright, right here. Now I'm just going to do and Gabby. And you're going to adjust it to whatever. I wouldn't make it too big because it'll stretch out your MySpace if you have it too big. So I'm going to make it like this, and you center it. Alright, then you're going to click Layer Styles, Drop Shadow. Let's see how there's a drop shadow. I don't know if you can tell, but here. There's a drop shadow. Okay. Next you're going to, I like the distance 0 and the size a little bigger. I think it looks the nicest. So you can use stroke if you want, and I usually do a pattern stroke, but yeah, whatever. And all of my stuff got deleted somehow, but I would usually do scan lines, and I'll have my patterns and stuff on this block. And you can do a pattern overlay with whatever. Like I said, they got deleted, so you can do whatever you want. So I'll just do this. If you want the red to show through, which is, so I made this myself, so I can just do this. You're going to make it lighten, then you're going to adjust the opacity to your liking, and that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to make the stroke a color, and I'm going to make it white. Okay, and I'm just going to do the spread a little bit more, this side a little. So there's that. So now you have like a nice drop shadow and everything, if you can see that. Okay, now you're going to open the layers palette, which is on the right side, and if that doesn't show up, then you can go to Window, and Layers is right here, and you can just click F7, I guess. Oh, that didn't work. Yeah, you can click F7 and it comes up. Now, this will show all the layers that you have, which is like including text and everything. And so I'm going to make a new layer, and I'm going to add brushes. So I'm just going to add like a little thing right there. But I'm going to do it in black. And you can put like drop shadows on this too. And do whatever you want, really. I don't like that. Or you can take like lips. Or you can do a heart, which is most people's thing. Just like that. And okay, once you have what you want to do, and I'll just leave it like this, you're going to click the, let's see what it's called, the rectangular marquee tool, and you're going to click it, and you're going to select right around it, edit, copy merged. If you don't click copy merged, it's not going to show all the drop shadows and everything because it won't copy all the layers. So then you're going to click new file, and it'll automatically come up the dimensions of your header that you just did, that you selected around. And once it loads, then you're just going to click edit, paste, and there's that. And I have a brush that I made because a lot of people asked me to make like headers for them. So I made my Gabby. Then file, save as. You can save it anywhere, and I suggest you save it as a ping. You can also save it as a JPEG, but it's not as clear for stuff like this. If you were to make it into a image map, then you can do that. But I wouldn't do that now. So just do a ping file, which is right here. It's the 5th one up. And you can just click save. And it's going to say none or interlace, and make sure it's on none, and then click OK. And then you're just going to host it on PhotoBucket, and that's it.